We purchased a business back in 2016. We figured, well, Monica's is a staple here in Wichita. It's a well-known brand, and we sat down and really talked about it and asked ourselves, how hard could this be? And I think we found out very quickly. You know, we've shed tears of joy here, and we've shed tears of pain here. And so I think being able to experience that with our family, we definitely want them to learn that adversity is not a reason to quit. I've always told them it's not how hard you fall, it's how tall you stand when you get back up. We saw family members step up to the plate, you know, and actually want to help out and say, hey, what can I do? You know, teach me.
It's brought out my daughter's entrepreneurial spirit, you know, because now she's starting her own brand and people have been supportive of her so far.
So Veronica started her little candy company underneath Monica's umbrella. It's called Dulce's Daisy. You know, she lost her mother when she was 2. And so she's definitely overcame a lot of different issues in the course of her short time on this earth. Her mother's name was Margarita. And you take that and translate it, and it's a daisy.
It's actually pretty cool how people are interested in buying things like that, because I thought it wasn't going to be like so big, but a lot of people have came in and bought some things. And the same thing with the Paletas. Well, working with my family is pretty cool. You know, I always have them on the sideline. They're always there for me.
I think being in Revolution is a great success for Monica's, and just seeing the foot traffic and the community that comes in through here, especially on on the weekends when people want to come out and kind of experience something new. Revolution definitely makes us feel like we're succeeding. I think we fit in making the heart happy. You know, that's where I think that we fit in, is definitely providing great tasting treats for our community.